Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 1986, the Disney Sunday movie series debuted on ABC with the film Help Wanted Kids, starring Cindy Williams and Bill Hudson. The premiere marked Disney's return to broadcast television and a revival of the anthology format of years past. New Disney CEO Michael Eisner served as the host of the series. The program was a win for ABC and Disney, raising both Sunday TV ratings and theme park attendance. The Disney Sunday movie aired weekly until September 1988. But this was 40 years ago, so 1986. Do you remember this one? Did you see it? I didn't. Anyway, have a magical day.